everyone, we're back to put forth some amazing updates from the start of the academic session 25-26. I am Maria and with me is Drishti and we have got a lot to share.
Absolutely, it's been a fantastic beginning to the new session. The school reopened on 28th March and the atmosphere was electric. From class 1 to class 12, students walked in with fresh energy and a sense of excitement.
Yeah, I remember the first day. The halls were buzzing, classrooms were bright with colorful charts and motivational quotes. It really felt like a new adventure was about to begin.
And let's not forget the warm welcome from our teachers. They introduced the academic plans, shared the year's goals, and it all felt so encouraging. Everyone seems to be ready to take on this year with full enthusiasm.
This session promises a lot. Academic rigor, fun co-curriculars, and opportunities for personal growth. We really look forward for a well-rounded year ahead.
Speaking of exciting events, let's talk about the Inter-House Hindi debate that took place on 25th April. That was intense.
Oh yes, students from class 6 to 12 took part and it was an amazing display of expression, logic and confidence. Whether they were speaking for or against the motion, the participants were so well prepared.
I was impressed with how they had presented their arguments and rebuttals. It wasn't just a competition, it was a platform for real thought-provoking discussion.
Exactly. The judges judged them for content, delivery, body language and rebuttal skills. And the winners truly earned the applause. Let's mention some of the top performers.
Oh yes, it was a neck-to-neck competition, but one has to grab position, so here we are. Classes 6 to 8, first place was bagged by Finton House, followed by Price House and Fitzpatrick House. For classes 9 to 12, first place was grabbed by Fitzpatrick House and second place was bagged by Price, followed by McMahon House.
Huge congratulations to all. You really raised the bar for oratory this year.
And the excitement didn't stop at debates. On the very same day, April 25th, we also had a special English creative writing competition.
Yes, that one truly brought out the authors and poets in us.
I loved how the younger students from classes 6 to 8 explored the topic Internet, connecting and dividing people. It really made them think critically about something they use every day.
And the senior students had an intriguing prompt. When the clock stopped. That theme had so much room for imagination, mystery, even emotion.
Totally, it was more than just a competition. It was a chance to reflect, imagine and express. Teachers were there every step of the way, guiding and encouraging students to reach their creative best.
Some of the entries were truly outstanding, though it was tough to choose. A few brilliant writers did emerge as winners.
For middle school, the first position was bagged by Price House, second place by Fitzpatrick House and third place by Finton House.
For the senior school, Price House grabbed the first position, followed by Finton House and Fitzpatrick House.
Hats off to them! Now, moving on to something colourful, the inter-class display board competition for the middle section. That event really lit up the hallways.
No kidding. Classes 6 to 12 turned their boards into masterpieces. The theme was Impossible is for the Unwilling and every class brought a unique interpretation to life.
They combined art, quotes and powerful messages so beautifully.
And after a lot of creativity and effort, the top positions in the middle school went to 6th A, followed by 7th B and 8th B. Let's not forget the senior section display board competition. The senior classes took things to another level.
Definitely, the boards weren't just artistic, they were thoughtful, intelligent and very well executed.
Here are the results. For class 9th, first position 9th D, class 10th, first position 10th A, class 11th, first position 11th B, class 12th, first position 12th A.
Amazing work everyone, the teamwork and creativity really stood out.
And now, one of the most awaited events of the academic year, the investiture ceremony.
On May 2nd in the school auditorium, it was a proud moment for all. the newly elected Student Council officially took charge, ready to lead with integrity and commitment.
You could feel the pride and responsibility in the air. As each student leader stepped up to receive their badge, it marked the beginning of a new chapter, not just for them, but for the school as a whole.
Devanshi Sembal was appointed as the head girl and Aradhya Badoni was appointed as the head boy for the session 2025-26.
Leadership isn't just about titles, it's about setting an example, and we're confident this council will do just that. Congratulations to all the newly inducted leaders.
And just when you thought the month couldn't get more exciting, it was time for Exuberance, one of our most vibrant extracurricular events.
Oh yes, Exuberance is truly a celebration of talent, creativity, and self-expression. It brought together students from all grades to participate in events revolving around literature, art, music, dance, and so much more.
I loved how the school campus transformed into a hub of color, sound, and energy. From art installations to soulful music performances and high-energy dance routines, every event was packed with enthusiasm.
It was heartwarming to watch students cheer for each other, not as competitors, but as a community celebrating creativity.
Truly, Exuberance lived up to its name. Events like these show us that learning isn't just about textbooks, it's about discovering who we are and what we love.
A big shout out to all the participants, volunteers and teachers who made Exuberance 2025 an unforgettable experience. This year's Exuberance Trophy was lifted by Fitzpatrick House, Price House coming second behind by a few points, and the third position was taken by Macmahon House, and Finton bagged the trophy for discipline.
And that wraps up this special update from us. It's been a powerful start to the year, full of creativity and big ideas. A round of applause for all classes.
We can't wait to see what's next. Until then, keep dreaming big, keep working hard, and keep shining. This is Maria
and Drishti
signing off. Have a great day, everyone.